You better move to the love.
Move to love.
You better move to the love.
Move to love.
You better move to the love.
Move to love.
You better move to the love.
Move to love.
You better move to the love.
Move to love.
Move, son. Move, son. You heard do the right thing, get stop the violence, don't take advantage of the people's talent. They wanna teach the youth the truth, not to make a fast buck and learn how to shoot. So, elder people, what you doing? Teaching the young to make a future that's ruined. Educate and evaluate the situation, cause getting late. So tired of seeing a young child die, trying to get a piece of the American pie. It makes me sick how the government sits on their butt and be saying what up. We're not blind, just take a look around. The kids not playing but selling on the playground. This is terrible, I don't understand. There's gotta be a better plan. You better move to the love.
Move to love. Do 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 do. 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 Move to love. Do 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 do.
War, what we need with that? Nobody win but people pockets getting fat. Steady killing, forget the healing. The homeless, the poor, so what I need a gun for? I can think of a million good ways to spend the money, but the idea will get passed like a dummy. It's not about the ethics, all about politics. Peace and love is what we need for a settlement plan. It's in demand, so understand. Pray if you can for a better land. Cause life is so, so wonderful. At times it seems unbearable. Sorta got the feeling that you just can't win, but like a ball bounce back again. Just stand tough and let the good prevail above, because I'm letting you know you better move to the love.
Move to love. Do 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 do. 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 Move to love.
You better move to the love.
Move to love.
You better move to the love.
Move to love.
You better move to the love.
Move to love.
You better move to the love. Parents, just stay strong for your children. I know it's hard, but somehow we got to win. Seem like evil is winning a race. What a disgrace, but I have faith for a better race. Like Mariah Carey, a vision of love is what this world's in search of. A brighter day, a better tomorrow. No more pain and no more sorrow. Don't make it heart hollow. Get it together no matter whatever it takes to break the hate you feel in a violent state of mind. Cause you're one of a kind that's hard to find. The beat is kicking, but it's more than a rhyme. Just my opinion to make a new beginning. Never let you down, cause I'm all about winning. So just listen and stop dissing, because I'm letting you know you